welcome to Orit's Kitchen. My name is Orit and it's wonderful to see you guys again. So I'm going to be making in this episode basically a cheater way of making stuffed grape leaves, okay? I tried to make grape leaves. It's hard. Roll it, get the leaves. Ugh, no, okay? And also, you know, you guys go to catering service and you're like, oh my God, how do you make it? I'll tell you, it's easy, okay? This is what you gotta do, okay? You're gonna go and get the grape leaves, okay? Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be this brand. Any brand will do. There's bigger ones with more grape leaves. This is a smaller bunch. This has 10 pieces, okay? Now, you open up the grape leaves and now you can just eat them like this. Warm it up or cold and eat it like this. But they don't all taste really good. They sometimes taste really nasty, okay? So I like to spice it up a bit, make it a little bit more yummier, just like in the caterers, right? So basically what you do, I also have pictures of it, so Gabby will be posting as I go, okay? You're gonna open this can, you're gonna dump it in a pot, okay? You know, enough room just to fit this, okay? And you're gonna add a little bit water, not a lot, because while it's cooking, or just don't even put water in it, okay? While it's cooking, it's going to release water of its own, okay? So, and if it's too much watery, it's all gonna fall apart and you're just gonna eat rice pretty much, okay? So remember, basically no water. It already has some water in here, so you just dump it in there, okay, in the pot. Next thing, you can add sour cherries, okay? This is yummy. You can even buy this and put it on cream cheese and things like that. Or khame, for all my Persians out there. This is good with khame as well. So we have some sour cherries. Can you get that, Gabby? Okay, so you're just gonna pour the watery part of it if possible. Okay, now if you get some cherries in there, no big deal. I've had that. So pour some water in it, okay? And also what I like to mix it up with is pomegranate molasses or pomegranate paste. Now, if you only have either or, that's fine. You can use this or put both together. That's exactly what I did. I put both of them together. Okay, not a lot, just maybe a tablespoon or so, especially if you're using like a size this big. You don't need so much because the flavors are just extremely strong, so especially if they're together, so you don't need to put so much, okay? About maybe, like I said, like a tablespoon of each, okay? Then what I also like to do is to add tomatoes. Now you can add cherry tomatoes like this, or if you don't have it, you can add regular tomato, just make it a little smaller, put that in. The tomatoes give it a little bit more flavor, and if you want to make this a nice presentation for your guests or anybody, the cherry tomatoes make it look really pretty and colorful, okay? So what I did in my pictures, I cut it in half and then I put that in the pot. And then that's it, guys. You put it all together, you put it on a stovetop, you put it on low heat, let it grasp its flavor, do its thing, and then your house might even smell really good, okay? And after like 20 minutes, you guys, you can eat it, okay? I prefer my dolme, my stuffed grapes, to be hot and warm, but you can also use it at room temperature. So this is my final outcome. I had a little leftover, guys. So that's how it looks like, okay? It gets a little squishy, but that's the process of it. And you know, so this one fell apart. That kind of came out, but it happens and it's okay. But looks, most of it overall, they're all pretty good. And again, it makes it a really cute presentation when you take it out and, you know, little 1 by 1, 2 by 2, slowly, and put it nicely on your plate, on your serving dish. Okay, guys, that's my little cheat version of making dolme, stuffed grapes leaves. That will taste great, okay? Again, I don't like how it tastes in here, so I add this a little bit, and it's something to snack on if you want. Within 20 minutes, you want something quick, this is my go-to as well. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching Orit's Kitchen, and wonderful to see you guys again. See ya!